Assalamualaikum student. This is your week 8 assignment and day 3 lecture. In day 3 lecture we will discuss about the explanation of mixture and compound with example and did you know information. Student, this chapter is belong to element, compound and mixture. So we will in the whole chapter we will discuss about the mixture, compound or element. And did you know information? Now let's move. First of all, we will discuss about the objectives. Students will be able to explain the concept of mixture with the help of example and did you know information. When a mixture of iron and sulfur is heated strongly, each iron atom join up with a sulfur atom to form a molecule of iron sulfide. The element in a compound cannot separate it easily. Okay, students, you can see in this picture there are two different pictures. These are two different pictures because these are two different pictures. One picture, this is mixture and this is compound. Okay, first of all, when we mix iron and sulfur element and then heat it strongly. When we heat it strongly, each iron atom join up with sulfur atom. Each atom, brown circle is shows to iron and yellow circle is shows to sulfur. These both are joined up like this. These both are joined. So, and their name is iron sulfide. Iron sulfide like, and their formula is Fe iron and S sulfide. This is the formula of iron sulfide. The element in a compound cannot be separated easily. These compounds cannot be separated easily because they are strongly heated and they attach with one another with a very strong force of attraction. Okay. All the molecules of iron sulfide are exactly the same. Each one contains one iron atom combined with one sulfur atom. This line is very important. One contain iron atom and combined with one sulfur atom. For example, one iron atom and combined with one sulfur atom. And the formula of iron sulfide is FeS. FeS. Compounds have very different properties from the chemical properties of the elements from which they are made. For example, hydrogen sulfide, rotten egg gas is much more poisonous than either hydrogen or sulfur. Rotten egg means they are not able to eat, or smelly egg. You can say that smelly egg are called rotten eggs is much more poisonous. This is more poisonous than either hydrogen or sulfur. Why? Because they are the combination of two atoms, hydrogen and sulfide. So that is why they are very poisonous gas. Did you know information? This is important. Kindly note this. Inside our bodies are compounds made from very flammable elements such as sodium and potassium. Fortunately for us, these compounds are harmless. Inside our bodies, these compounds are very flammable. Flammable mean like very heat up, such as sodium and potassium. But fortunately for us, these compounds are harmless. Okay, our today's success criteria is you can explain the mixture with the help of example. Kindly note this lecture and read very carefully. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Take care.